What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the video. If you're not sure what I do, guys, I post investing videos, cryptocurrency videos, and that's right, guys, gaming videos, everything from cryptocurrencies, altcoins, day trading, live trade zero, live day trading, Robinhood. Let's get right into the topic of the video, guys. Today we're going to be doing a live trade recap, guys. I couldn't actually get the live trades because there were options, and basically let's look at the chart right here. We have ROKU, guys. If you see while back, guys, I put the ascending triangle and then an arrow where I entered long term, and then I put these lines. But if you see right here, guys, definitely found some previous resistance turned into future support, as you see. And right here, guys, I had maybe one contract long, and then right here, guys, snap. I'm actually looking to buy some puts right here tomorrow. I'm looking to get $13 November 1st puts. So if you see a future video about snap profits, I'm looking for the future, guys, $13 November 1st puts. I think it can get from, if it can crack 13.50, I think we can definitely see 12.10 as a possibility, guys, again right here. And then today's video, guys, as you've seen by the thumbnail of the video, $1,800 profit was I had some puts in CRON, guys. So if you see right here, essentially right here, it was going up. I did nothing. When it came back up here and you see this wick, it was starting to wither away. A little bit over 10.50, I got like 200 puts, and it felt like maybe almost $1, maybe a little over $1. I don't exactly know, but it evened out to be 1,800 even. So I sold that shit, guys. And I'm pretty hyped about it, not gonna lie. It's a huge win for me. I'm getting into options. Like I said, I normally did day trading with penny stocks and mid-cap stocks. I did trade zero. I still have a trade zero. I still invest, but also during school and work right now, guys, it's hard to capture these live. So I've been trying to do some options. Again, guys, huge trade here. And if you zoom out over here, guys, you could definitely see, you see the lines. I've been trading this for quite a while. As you see, I put a line of resistance, again, resistance, and then over here, guys, if you zoom in right here, I put a line here. Look at that, resistance, and then resistance again, guys. And the next one I see down here goes all the way down here. I wonder why. Let's check. Yep, definitely over here at 8, and then right here at 9.50. So that is why I definitely see this going. It's 8.86. I definitely see this going maybe down to 7.25. That's for sure. Again, guys, made huge win here today. This was a good trade. CRON puts a little bit over 200 contracts. That's why I'm not really 100% sure. How much profit per share per contract, how many contracts. I was kind of busy a little bit, but I made this trade. I put a little line right here, and I made it right here. I seen them going up, it withered away. I seen the wick. I said it's the perfect time. Bam! I could have capitalized and made way better, but I did not. Again, guys, let's move this out the way right here. And then, guys, again, ROKU definitely called this. I made these lines of support hella long ago, as you're seeing what the fuck that was. I do think this can definitely curl. You're doing a cup and handle. Definitely we can see a U. And if it breaks past 153, guys, I don't see why I can't get to 170. And guys, my next trade is definitely snap, guys. It will, in my opinion, not investing advice, just educational purposes and entertainment purposes only. I think it will crack under 13.50 and get to 12.10. I'm getting November 1st puts just to get my water and get my feet wet in the water. And again, guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, guys. I post daily videos, live streaming, Robinhood, day trading, cryptocurrency, literally cash management, Robinhood review, altcoin, top 3 gaming videos. I just do this for fun, guys. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out, guys. Peace.